Comrade Chairman and Comrade Chairwoman of this rally, Comrade Peter Gay and Comrade Jaim, the General himself, the PNP General Secretary, Dr. Dayton Campbell, Senator Gabriela Morris, the People's National Party President, and Northwest Saint and next MP, Senator Gabriela Morris. The distinguished blood and fire comrades on the platform. The young people of the People's National Party. The word is love.
Okay.
All right. Comrades, I stand before you tonight as a young 19-year-old that said time come. We are living in a country, comrades, where young people are dying, young people are crying, our young people are suffering, and that's why I love how Tony Spalding Sports Complex look, because we are fighting for our freedom. I'm a member of the People's National Party because I'm taking my future in my own hands. We have seen the wicked hand of the Jamaica Labour Party and we are fed up. Comrades, I am here because I also know the party's history. You have to know where you're coming from to know where we are going to go. And I can feel it, comrades. Victory is coming. You see, the People's National Party believes in youth development, believes in social transformation and education. And that's why we, the People's National Party, has said that we are going to give the first in your family to attend university for free. That is youth development. That is investing in our youth. That is championing change. Comrades, as a university student, it is hard. We struggle to make ends meet. We cannot find the millions to go to university. Some of us have to resort to student loans. And the People's National Party understands this. And they're saying that they're going to cap the payment percentage to what you are earning in your salaries so that you can pay off your debt conveniently. And if you are not employed, the People's National Party is suspending the installments to ensure that you do not run into bad credit. That is taking care of young people. So I stand here tonight and I'm making it unequivocally clear, I could never be a Labourite. Our young people deserve a better life. Comrades, there are young women and young girls that are suffering under this hand of the government. And we have to stand up for something because we now fall for anything. We have sense as young comrades and it's time we choose better. So comrades, these young women and young girls are in communities that they can't afford food to eat. And if them can't afford $170 to buy a tin of mackerel, how them are going to find $650 plus tax to buy a pack of Stay Free? Comrades, period poverty poverty is real, and the People's National Party has made a commitment to annual investment that is caring about young people, that is standing up for something good, that is empowering our young people. So comrades, I hear the laments, I hear the concerns, but like the gospel singer said, though the battle may be hot and the conflict so, oh, rocky the road that we're traveling on, and I'm begging you, hold on, hold on, hold on, help is on the way. So comrades, as I close tonight, I want to give you a call to action. A young people time now. I was on the road helping some candidates to canvass, and somebody told me that young people are being sold out and I'm a collect little money here and there, but I am choosing the millions in my educational investment over some little $1,000 because we are not for sale. So comrades, I want you to see the signal waving in the sky. Reinforcement now